This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Weston. A charmer with a view in the heart of Bellingham. Main floor living with extra bonus room on the lower level. Home can be accessed via lower garage or via main floor. High-end finishes with an open floor plan, quartz counters, engineered wood floors, large tiled master bathroom, and tons of natural light. Lots of storage. Located next to acres of open space, community garden, parks, and dog areas. Fiber internet available. For more information, review the details below or contact Weston at 360-734-7500 extension 212.